Hello and welcome to Down the Rabbit Hole. Today let's look at Blade Runner 2049, or more interestingly, 5 facts you may not know about. Number 1. The opening scene. In the opening scene in 2049, it reintroduces us to the world of Blade Runners and Sapper Morton, the replicant posing as a farmer. Ridley Scott, the director of the 1982 original, has intended to use this scene to introduce Deckard in the original movie, but ultimately it was repurposed for the sequel. Number 2. The importance of eyes. Eyes are everywhere in the Blade Runner universe, both thematically and literally. Both films open with an eye. In Blade Runner, Elon Tyrell is killed when Roy Batty pushes both thumbs into his eyeballs, the Voight-Kampff test measures the pupil, and the eyes of replicants glow, distinguishing them from humans. The eye theme will carry on over into 2049. Niander Wallace was blind, and when Wallace offers Deckard a new model of Rachel, her authenticity is questioned because of the colour of her eyes, which we'll get into later. Number 3. What's in a name? Ryan Gosling's titular Blade Runner is known only by the designated serial number KD9-3.7, or K for short. It may not have been noticed, but the fact that the film's hero is an officer in the LAPD named K, and in turn a replicant model Nexus 9, is hard to overlook. However, the police officer and dog parents to which the title refers, this version of K9, is actually noting Officer K being a blend of human and faithful servant. Number 4. The links with Soldier. Soldier was written by David Webb Peoples, who also wrote the screenplay to the original Blade Runner 1982 version. He has always maintained that Soldier is set in the same universe as Blade Runner, and in Blade Runner 2049 there contains at least one subtle note to his earlier work. The garbage scows that K sees in the metal wasteland on his way to the sweatshop are nearly identical to the one deposited by Kurt Russell's character on the off-world colony of Arcadia in the primary setting of the 1998 film. Since 2049 happens over a decade after Soldier, the scows have minor modifications, though they are immediately recognisable. And number 5. Rachel. In the climactic scene, the Rachel, Sean Young character, is recreated for Deckard. And of course, he rejects her because he says that the original Rachel had green eyes. However, upon reviewing the original movie, you see close-ups of Sean Young's eyes, and the same close-ups are also seen within the Blade Runner 2049 film when fragments of her interview from the first movie are played. And her eyes, without mistake, are golden brown, not green. And that's it. 5 quick, interesting facts from Blade Runner 2049. Thank you for listening. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more content.